To check health insurance status linked to an Emirates ID in the United Arab Emirates, follow these steps. Visit the DAJ website. Access the official website of the Dubai Health Authority or the respective health authority of your emirate. Alternatively, you can use the mobile app provided by the health authority. Navigate to the insurance section. Look for the section related to health insurance services or e-services on the website or app. Log in or register. If you haven't already registered, create an account on the portal using your Emirates ID and other required information. If you're a returning user, log in with your credentials. Access health insurance services. Once logged in, locate the option to check health insurance status or verify insurance details. This may be listed under a specific menu or service category. Enter Emirates ID. Enter the Emirates ID number for the individual whose health insurance status you want to check. View status. After entering the Emirates ID, the system should display the corresponding health insurance details, including coverage status, validity dates, and insurance provider information. Verify information. Review the displayed information to ensure accuracy and validity.